YouTube is good with y'all boys, man. It's your boy CC Trades. And look, bro, today we're looking at a live trade. The only reason I'm recording this trade live is because I wanted to make a video on the most powerful PD array. What is it? Is it an order block? Is it a fair value gap? Sippy Bissy? What is it? Bro, in my opinion, the most powerful and the most resourceful PD array is a volume imbalance. Look here, right? Look at how this volume imbalance was reacted to. Look at this one. It ran right through this one. But this area is respected when price comes back down. So here I am looking at a live entry. We didn't get our entry yet. I believe that we should. If we do, I might adjust my take profit. I don't like the way that it's moving. It looks like it wants to push up. But typically I would be looking for a sell in this area anyways because of the displacement below. Plus we have relative equal lows here, and this, you can tell this is an original consolidation before this run right here, plus all of these gaps we have to fill in here below. So yeah, that's my TP there. I'm looking at this price leg here. The volume imbalance is around the optimal trade entry of this price leg, and look at this volume imbalance here. Look how price reacted off of this. So typically, all of the trades that I take have a volume imbalance included in them. This is gonna suck if we don't get our entry because this is a beautiful trade. I actually called this out in the Discord that I'm in. I'll probably start the Discord up for y'all boys soon, but as of right now, with 300 subs, I'll probably wait till we hit 1,000, so that way we got like a little community in there. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all want a Discord now, just comment down below. Let me know. We're just gonna be waiting to see if we get this entry. Right now, I'm not really liking how it's looking. It has already came into a premium range, premium selling range of this price leg right here. So we might not get our entry, but still, we might get a volume imbalance somewhere else. Typically, the easiest way for me to trade is to take the most obvious entry. Like I could sit here and sell. I could sit here and say, you know, sell right here, put my stop loss right here, TP right here at these relative equal lows, but it may not sell. I want to take the most obvious entry. This right here, this was obvious. It was obvious that price was going to return to this premium range. We have a landslide here. This is a small correction, and then obviously we're going to return down. Look, we have this volume imbalance here. Obviously price is going to respect this volume imbalance. That's the most obvious entry to me. Now we may come back up here. This is ES. We may come back up simply because this is now a target. These relative equal highs right here. This is now a target, whether it comes up now or whether it comes up later. But we also have this right here. This is an easy target as well. We have 4 relative equal lows. Mind you, I'm looking at the 30-second. I pay for TradingView Premium, so honestly, I don't really go lower than the 30-second. But only time I drop to sub-minute time frames is if I can see a volume imbalance on a minute chart. So right here, I see a volume imbalance, and this is what I'm targeting. Right here, I saw a volume imbalance. This is what I'm targeting. So yes, sir, man. We might get a return into this area. Hopefully we do. And if we do, we'll be tapped in for this sell. Be right back. Okay, so in the Discord, somebody asked me, did I get filled? My reply was no. However, I do have confidence that I will get filled because, like I said, these relative equal highs right here are a target now. Plus this volume imbalance that needs to be filled right here. So honestly, once this gets filled, should we see a return back down, this right here would be the easiest TP. So I'll probably take some type of partials right here and or even down here because this is 100% a target. 100% a target. So yeah, I'll probably take some type of partial somewhere in this range right here and then let the rest run to this full TP. But I do believe that once this gets took out, we'll tap into this volume imbalance and then we'll reverse. I can tell price already wants to go down. I may be wrong, but let's see. What can you do? All right, y'all. So our order just got filled. Instant reaction. We'll probably maybe get into a little bit of drawdown, but I see this as a really good trade. See this as a beautiful trade, actually. volume imbalance right here. We'll probably get some pushback off of it. 2 volume imbalances stacked on top of each other. Let's go to the 1 minute. 30-second, you're going to see a lot of on the 30-second chart, you're going to see a lot of volume imbalances, especially on ES. So we have another one right here. Also, I want you guys to pay attention to the close of this candle and the open of this one. However, we should push down below here. I do see this trade being, this is our easy TP. I do see this trade being a W. I'll kind of be hurt if it's not, but it'll be what it is. If you guys don't know, I post all of my trades that I take on Instagram every single day, win or lose, or break even, whatever the case may be. So go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube, ZC Trades. With the Z at the end, my boy. Let's see what happens. Boom. There goes a pushback off of this volume imbalance. To me, it just looks like price is spoiling up. And let's see if we got any news. Let's check it out. Oh, y'all see me listening to Redbone? I was vibing. Nah, we don't got no news. Maybe at like 11 o'clock we'll get like a little push, because I have a feeling this trade is going to be very long, my brother. Very long. But we'll see. I'll update y'all in a couple minutes. Let's get it. Hey, y'all see this? Putting in work while I'm putting in work. And look at my bookmark too. Yeah, this the main plan. It's the plan right there. Everywhere I go, I got one of these. In my car, my wallet, on my computer, in my book, on my whiteboard. I need to know the plan at all times. I need to keep my eye on the prize. Walk by faith and not by sight. Damn, my screen recording just ended. I see this being an easy bucket though, y'all boys. I'll be right back. So while I'm in this trade right now, let me put this all onto this book. The Kabbalion, Hermetic Philosophy. This is just a book of your basic occult knowledge, your basic principles of, I guess, universal law. You could say mentalism. Really, really, your key, the master key, is your mind. So the same way that you have to practice psychology in the charts, how I be saying that you get better in the charts by getting better in real life, bro. You have to learn how to unlock your mind. Certain things, certain areas in your mind, you have to understand that. Matter of fact, it's not even unlocking them. They're already unlocked. They're already doing their job. It's just you have to learn how to utilize it in a way where it's not. You have to learn how to utilize it in a way where it's advantageous to you. Because a lot of people, the way that they use their mind, it puts them at an extreme disadvantage in life. I'm not really too worried about this little these wicks right here. This is an easy TP for me. If we drop down to the 30-second, we got these little relative equal lows right here. So, man, anything relative is accounted for with me, because that shit is a target, bro. I don't care what nobody say. Look at how price reacted to this volume imbalance as well. But yes, I highly recommend looking into hermetic knowledge, whether you're into religion or you're not into religion, bro. Look into that. I don't like to rule out religion, but I also don't like to rule out the things that religion does not talk about. When I was young, I was taught that a lot of things should not be explored, like astrology. I was taught that it was demonic. However, I don't really see anything demonic about astrology. Now that I'm really looking into it, just doing the research for myself, it unlocked a lot of knowledge for me. It unlocked a lot of wisdom, and I can put it to use. This right here, I use all of this knowledge to get to where I'm going. I don't think I could be trading well without knowing occult wisdom. I don't think I could be feeling as wise as I do, moving about the way that I move in my life, without knowing the laws of the universe. I feel like if I didn't learn the laws of the universe, then I wouldn't be moving in the right path. Because my natural thought pattern, if I'm being completely honest with you guys, my natural thought pattern is violent. It is. I'm constantly on defense. And that's what I've noticed about myself. I always think in a survival mode instead of thinking in a flourishing, thought pattern, and an abundant thought pattern. So this is very important because I have to retrain my mind. Another book is by Maxwell. I believe it's called Unlearning You or something like that. I'll put it in a bio of this book, but that audiobook, typically I'm listening to audiobooks while I'm working, while I'm in the car, but that audiobook is powerful. Another one, Psycho-Cybernetics. That book is powerful. Now, these are all long books. These are all like 10-hour books, but who said you can't break it up into 30 minutes? Now you got a whole month's worth of information. Who said you can't break it up into 2 hours while you're working? Now you got a whole week's worth of information. You listen to that type of stuff, you're gaining from it while you're at work, and time goes by faster, man. But yeah, The Kybalion. This is one of my favorite books. I haven't even finished it. By the third chapter, this is one of my favorite books. But yeah, man, I'll get back with y'all boys in a minute. Alright, so what I would really like to see, since we've already taken out these lows, I believe I said these lows were definitely going to get took out. This would have been the first easy TP, but my real easy TP is down here. What I would really like to see is a bearish candle, full body, big body bearish candle, close below here. This one kind of closed in a way where it's like, okay, maybe we'll get that full body close, but it's nothing really spectacular to me about it. You know what I mean, if we've ran and we close down here somewhere, we got that big body candle, I'm like, all right, easy TP. Right here, it's gonna get smacked easily. But because it didn't, if we drop down to the 30-second, we can see that we are rejecting here. I want to see something close below. Now, once we get that full body close below, I'll probably set my stop loss to break even or whatever. I might do it now. It just depends. We'll see how it plays out. Be right back. Every day I take a trade, I screen record it on my phone, go on CapCut, speed it up, make an Instagram reel out of it. So y'all can see I'm actually a trader. I'm not just a psychology guru. That's what y'all like to call me, the little guru. Anything that has to do with psychology, people be calling it a guru. Whole time, you just an ignorant little, I ain't gonna lie, you just an ignorant little bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Because if you calling psychology a guru, another person trying to help another person a guru, bro, I ain't gonna lie, you just a shitty human being, bro. Because that's just how it should be regardless. People should be helping each other regardless. You know how much better of a place the world would be if people just helped each other like Jesus did? Yeah, nigga, yeah, like Jesus did. Jesus was a guru, basically. What y'all telling me Jesus was a guru? I ain't gonna lie, focus up, webcam. Y'all trying to tell me Jesus was a guru because he was helping people? So stop calling people that's helping other people a guru. Anything that has to do with psychology a guru? Come on, bro. Tighten up. Let's get it. I'll be right back, y'all boys. Relative equal highs right here. Even though they're short term, I am expecting them to get took out. We do have a fair value gap here. We also have a volume imbalance here, as well as right above it, right here. Pay attention to the open of this candle and the close of this one. And this one. ES typically does have a lot of volume imbalances. That's why I love ES so much. We got another one right here. So when you're looking at volume imbalances and trying to use them for an entry, you have to kind of look at the bigger picture and use the volume imbalance as a supplement to your overall bias. If we rise above this right here, I will close and I will walk away with barely any profits. I'm okay with that. There's going to be other days where I grab more profits. This is my easy TP. This is where I'm taking partials, and that is what it is. I'm not going to lie to you, bro. So, be right back, y'all boy. Yo, like last year, I would have been having so much inside anxiety about this trade right now. Like, what if it pulls back on me? What if I don't get any profits? What if this, what if that? Feeling all type of different ways, bro. This is why you need experience as a trader. Because, yo, I'm not going to lie to y'all. I really don't care what happens in this trade. I really don't care if it turns around and it hits me at break even. I really don't care. I'm not going to let it hit my full stop loss. Maybe that's why I'm kind of comfortable in this trade now. Maybe I'm just confident in this trade, but I genuinely really don't care. And that's because I know I'm a profitable trader and we're in the dimension of time. Everything up here manifests into your life. But since we're in the dimension of time, there is a little bit of friction when it comes to that, because you may have conflicting thoughts. You might not truly believe it. You might not really see it. That shit get complicated. But that's all occult knowledge, just like I just told y'all, man. But yeah, an easy way to know if you're a profitable trader already, go look at your data and analyze your issues. Go look at your data and analyze the things that are making you an unprofitable trader. Now, if you take those things away, are you a profitable trader according to your data? Most likely, yes. Okay, cool. So you're a profitable trader. You're just doing unprofitable shit. That's how I see it. You're a profitable trader, but you keep over trading, which is eating away at your profits, making you unprofitable. Okay, so stop over trading, and boom, all of a sudden you had a profitable month last December. You had a profitable month last November. You just ate away your profits. That's all it is, man. But yeah, man, we holding to this easy TP. We've been in this trade for a little while. We've been in this trade since 10:43. So we've been in this trade about 20 minutes. It definitely feels longer than 20 minutes, but it is what it is, buddy. In real time, I'm expecting to tap into this fair value gap before we descend lower. If I wait until we descend lower after we tap this fair value gap, the odds is I'm gonna be in this trade for probably at least another 10 minutes. Boy, when I tell you I'm ready to get off these charts, I fucking mean it, man. I'm not trying to sit here all day and look at these candles no more, bro. When you're a beginner, you love the chart so much. Like, you just want to be a chart head, a chart addict. And trust me, if you're a chart addict, you probably always going to be a chart addict, but you'll understand that the odds is the more time that you spend on the charts, the less profitable that you'll be. So right now, I just want to get off the charts, man. I wish you would hurry up and tap this, John. Take out them small relative equal highs right there. Then come back down here and scoop these lows and push to my AZTP. Because honestly, I'll probably just close on my AZTP unless we run right through it. If we run right through it, then we're going to go to the finish line. But I shall be backboarding. Alright, YouTube. So if we reject her, if we continue to reject her, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stay in this trade. Now, if we close like this, I'm closing early. So this candle will be the deciding factor, my friend. Oh my God. You know what? Hold on. We'll take a little L. Because look, we got a volume imbalance right here. If we run past this high, it's over with. I'm cool with that. This is a volume imbalance as well. I'm thinking about putting my stop at this high right here, because we could just come up and retap the same same volume imbalance that we entered in off of and then return back down. But I'm ready to get out the markets, man. I don't really care what happens. So let's see. Some of y'all think that little arrow, me putting that little arrow, gonna make that shit go down. Nah, that's just where I'm expecting it to retrace. We got lots of equal lows down here, so if we reject like this, I'm confident in the trade. But if we don't, it's just gonna run straight up and hit my buy stop. Doesn't matter, brother. Either way, this week we're gonna come out profitable. So it could use these volume imbalances as inverse, bounce off of these and then push up. So we shall see. If we run right through these, that's a great sign. You know what I don't like though? Relative equal highs here, my friend. So odds is stop loss gonna get hit. But that's what I'm paying it for. So we'll take the break even. Either way, I just wanted to show y'all. See, that would have been stop loss getting hit. But look, either way, I just wanted to show y'all. Oh, thank God. Stop screen recording. I've been screen recording for what feels like an hour. I just wanted to show y'all how powerful this PD array is. Now, if you were okay with just taking this as a Let's see. You were okay with just taking this as a 1 to 1.5. It even ran for a 1 to 2. I was aiming for this right here. I could have took partials. Probably should have took partials. But it is what it is. Because I didn't come out and draw down for the day. I'm not mad at anything. If anything, I'm happy that I have the vision that I can see what's going on. This was a great trade. However, I run 1 to 3s. Hardly ever take partials. Maybe I'll implement that. But yes, sir, man. This is the most powerful PD array. As you can see, this volume imbalance that was ran through was still utilized right here. I said that this could be used as an inverse. If it's used as an inverse, it's going to hit my stop loss. What happened? Okay. I said these are relative equal highs. These are going to be targeted. What happened? They were targeted. I said this is the easiest TP. This is going to get hit no matter what. What happened? It went and got smacked. So, as well as this right here, you can see the rejection off of this. I see more volume imbalances on ES than NASDAQ and YM, so I typically am looking at ES. I'm looking at all of them, but whatever I believe is going to happen, if I believe that we're going to go for a sell today, then I'm looking at ES and I'm going to look for a SIBI or a BISI, whatever is contingent with my bias, and I'm going to look for a volume imbalance, and that volume imbalance is what I'm going to enter off of. Another thing that I look for, and this is a gem as well, at 9:30 open, if we get a huge rush of momentum, then I'm looking for a correction. If that correction leaves any type of volume imbalance, SIBI or BISI, any type of PD array that I can enter off of, I'm going to follow the flow of the correction. If New York Stock Exchange opens up and we get on a 1 minute candle, 4 candles of straight up movement, big body candles, and then right after that we get 5, 6 bodies of down candles, you know what I'm saying, a correction, I'm going to look for a volume imbalance or any PD array to enter in, and that correction to be continued. That typically is an easy bucket every single day. This is something similar. Around right here we had 10 o'clock. We had a red folder at 10 o'clock. Then we have this impulse move up. Then the correction down. The correction down in the premium of the range. I saw this volume imbalance. I could have entered in right here. I didn't trust it. It wasn't even in the premium of the range. I could have took this, which I marked this up and held for this low right here. But there was no safe place to put my stop loss. Right here was the best place that I could enter off of. Like I said, you could have easily made money off of this trade. I called this trade out in the Discord. Just so happened that I didn't close when I just didn't close. I didn't close until break even. So, and this trade is still going to play out. It'll probably play out in the PM session. I have full faith and full confidence in this trade. I could have just let it sit and draw down, but bro, I don't want to sit on these charts anymore. I'm ready to go. So it is what it is. Yes, sir, man. I'll probably drop a few more videos like this week, and y'all boys be safe, man. Keep y'all head on straight. Like I always say, tighten up. Y'all saw me reading while I was trading. I'm in the trade being patient, managing my emotions, and I'm still doing something productive. So y'all can as well. I'm gonna get with y'all boys on the next one, man. Peace.